Hello everyone, my name is Denisa Laulandia. Today I want to present about pros and cons of online education. The first slide is what is online education? Online education is learning that happens over the internet. Instead of going to a physical classroom, students use computers on mobile device to study and complete their course. It's flexible because you can learn from anywhere with an internet connection at your own pace. Next slide is importance of discussing the pros and cons. Discussing the pros and cons of online education is important because it helps individuals make informed decisions about their education. By understanding the advantage and disadvantage of online learning, students can determine if it is the right fit for their learning style, schedule, and goals. Additionally, discussing the pros and cons allow educators and policymakers to identify areas for improvement and develop strategies to enhance the effectiveness and accessibility of online education. Overall, a balanced discussion of the pros and cons of online education promotes transparency, accountability, and informed decision making in the education sectors. Next slide is pros of online education. Number one is accessibility. Online education allows students to access learning materials from anywhere, overcoming geographical barriers. Number two is flexibility. Students can study at their own pace and schedule, making it easier to balance education with other commitments. Number three is cost effective. Online courses are often more affordable than traditional classroom-based courses, as they eliminate the need for commuting and physical facilities. Number four is variety of course. Online education offers a wide range of courses and programs, allowing students to choose from a diverse selection based on their interests and career goals. Number five is convenience. Students can study from the comfort of their home, saving time and money on commuting. Next slide is cons of online education. Number one is lack of personal interaction. Online education lacks face-to-face interaction with instructor and peers, which can hinder social and communication skills development. Number two is technical challenge. Students may face technical difficulties such as internet connectivity issues or software compatibility problems, which can disrupt the learning process. Number three is self-motivation required. Online learning requires self-discipline and motivation, as students must manage their time effectively and stay focused without direct supervision. Number four is isolation. Some students may feel isolated or disconnect from the learning community in online course, especially if there is limited interaction with instructors and peers. Number five is lack of hands-on experience. Certain subjects, such as science or engineering, may require hands-on experience that is difficult to replicate in an online environment. These are general pros and cons, and the impact of online education can vary depending on individual circumstance and the quality of the online programs. The last slide is conclusion. Knowing the good and bad sides of online education is important for making smart choice about your learning. Online class offer flexibility and access to many subjects, but they also lack personal interaction and can require a lot of self-motivation. By understanding these factors, we can decide if online education is right and help improve online learning for everyone. Thank you.